This single-family home in Moanalua Gardens has been fully renovated in 2022. It has a modern taste throughout the home, and each room has a separate AC unit. The location is just phenomenal, close to shopping, hospitals, and freeway access. Enjoy the tour. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know what your thoughts were in the comments below. If you want to schedule a private showing, I'm going to put up my contact information right here. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really motivates me to put out more video tours like this one. Again, I'm Sandy from eXp Oahu. Hope to see you again soon.